Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Strava and we click. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.